Educators can have students show what they've learned through presentations in a variety of ways, like using a physical poster, creating a brochure, and creating a digital presentation through PowerPoint, Google Slides, or other platforms. But what if we could encourage students to take it one step further? Today, we are going to look at Vocaroo, a powerful recording tool that can be accessed directly from a web browser and allows students to make recordings for their presentation. We will take a look at recording audio, uploading audio, sharing and downloading audio, and inserting it into a presentation. If you haven't watched any of our other videos on the SWWC Technology Integration Team channel, please do so by clicking the card above and it will direct you to the channel where you can subscribe. With any of the student tools we recommend, we will continue to communicate the approval status and data privacy requirements met through Learn platform. Let's start by navigating to the Vocaroo website. Once you get to the site, one thing you'll notice is the simplicity. It's not overwhelmed by ads and too much information, just the recorder. In the banner, you do have the option to switch to upload, which will allow you to pull in previously recorded audio. For example, I can go to my downloads and select a Vocaroo file or other MP4 file. Click on the file and select open. The file will upload into Vocaroo where you can listen to it. From here, you can embed, send, or copy and paste the link and share. Next, we will look at recording. When on the main page, you'll see a large red record button in the middle of the page. In the bottom right, underneath the button, there is a settings gear icon. If you click on that, you can choose background noise and volume options. When recording for the first time on a student Chromebook or other device, you may get a pop-up that asks you to allow the microphone to be used by Vocaroo. Students need to select allow and make sure it's not blocked. When the student is ready, they can record their voice to narrate during the presentation. Here's an example of a basic presentation on Abraham Lincoln. Traditionally, the student might have text following the image on a separate slide, or they might have the information next to the picture. With Vocaroo, you can get students in the habit of recording their voice and adding that audio file to the slide so that whoever is viewing the presentation can hear their student as they explain or read the information they have. One thing they can also do is keep the information in the speaker notes to refer to if they are talking about a specific slide. Once the recording is done, students will click Save and Share. To add the audio, I recommend that students download the audio and upload it to their Google Drive. Once it's in Google Drive, they can navigate back to their presentation and select Insert from the top menu. Then they will select Audio and find the recent file, select it, and choose Insert. Another thing to be aware of is the format options. They can choose whether the audio plays by click or automatically upon entering that slide in presentation mode. They can select the default volume, loop the audio, stop the audio on slide change, and adjust a number of other options related to the audio icon. The student can choose other ways to share their recording if they don't plan to insert it into a presentation. They can copy and paste the link anywhere, share on social media, embed it into a website, generate a QR code, download, or delete it. When completed, students can turn in their unique recorded presentation and they will have gained insight into what it's like to record a podcast or narration. Try out Vocaroo for yourself when you have some time, and if you have a project upcoming, think about how your students could use this tool to enhance their presentations.